Hello, I hope everyone is doing wonderful today. So I'm going to share some items that I got from the store, at the grocery store, and some essentials that I got from the Dollar Tree as well. Then we're going to do some cleaning motivation, and then we will take it from there, and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's start off with the hot and spicy chicken wings on sale for $22.07, 5 pounds approximately. These fruit tarts, which I absolutely love. I usually get a set of these every week. Whole grain bread. This is a half a loaf to begin with, so it doesn't get wasted, and only $2.48. And this sourdough baguette, it's really small, but it was only like $1.49 for this little snacker. And then I got whole wheat carb balanced, 0 sugar, high fiber, only 3 grams of net carbs for sandwiches or tacos or wraps or anything of the sort. So this is just not to waste on bread, but to kind of help with the nutrition, a little bit of the carbs and a little bit of the nutrition by switching to the whole wheat and whole grains. Sourdough is supposed to be one of the better breads as well. This is totally not good. This is just a little something extra when those taste buds really want something sweet, maybe just to snack on a little bit here and there. And it is just a variety pack. Here we have the Sunshine Blend. It has dried pineapple, a little bit, I believe it is papaya, and then we have pumpkin seeds, peanuts, almonds, pecans, hazelnuts, and cashews. Of course, there's a little bit of sugar in there, but it is one of the healthier sides of snacks. I feel like this is really good for $5.03 because these days nuts can be really, really expensive, $9 to $12 a bag. So I feel like that's a great deal. This I actually picked up from the Dollar Tree. Collagen cleansing wipes for $1.25. Also picked this up from the Dollar Tree because you get 50 fluid ounces of cleaner, 30 wipes for $1.25. I feel like this is great buys. And then raw pumpkin seeds in this container. And then to go on the healthier side of things, I got this organic. It's cashews. It's got live cultures in it. Hardly any sugar. It's unsweetened and it's plain, 1 gram. We're going to check out and see how that tastes. I also picked up this salsa, but I like this because it's got the cilantro in it with a lime. And then I picked up the veggie salad. It was got carrots, romaine lettuce, which is a healthier lettuce, pea pods, radishes, and red cabbage. Stevia sweetener for the yogurt and for my coffee. It does not raise blood sugar. Monk fruit is also another one. This is cornmeal with no sugar, less than 1 gram, I guess you'd better say. I looked at some other cornmeals, and a lot of them were loaded with sugar. This was not, so I opted for this yellow self-rising lemon juice. This is for the flavoring of the water and salads. Blackened seasoning. This is the seasoning that had the least amount of additives. It was pretty clean for the most part for the shrimp that I'm going to prepare as a meal this week. And it was only about $3 for this little container. So I also picked up some sour cream and some sliced zucchini and squash also go with my shrimp that I'm going to prepare as a meal. Pretty good for $4.30, and it's already sliced. Cupcake liners for the muffins that I purchased. This just for an easy cleanup in the muffin pan, and my muffin pan has had some hard use. Laundry detergent sheets. I picked these up one time before. I picked this up today because it was on sale. 25 sheets, free and clear, dissolves really well. I really love these laundry sheets. These were on sale for $4 for $5. Or 5 for $4, I'm sorry. 5 for $4. So we picked up a variety of those for snacking this week. Quick Oats. This is high in fiber and organic whole grain, 100% whole grain. This is for my dogs, grain-free dog biscuits made in the USA with fine ingredients. This is one of those healthy meals. Shredded chicken, the veggie salad mix, feta cheese, and the salsa with olive oil. And this was a great healthy lunch. I feel great for any clean, fast eating throughout the day. Next up is cleaning motivation, and with that comes wiping down appliances several times a week. If you have a family or little ones, definitely several times a week to really get that clean. And some, it just depends on the surface of the appliances. Some shows up more than others. Wiping down the sink faucet as well, because that comes a lot of contact with others as well. I just put a little bit of alcohol on a microfiber pad and just go to town with that. And then dishes. Of course, your dishes is a daily thing. Even with a dishwasher, there is certain things that need to be hand washed to maintain the life of it. So I just put on some great music or a fun video in the background, and I just go through and I get those dishes washed and I move it right along. Little plastic silverware or cups or Starbucks cups. The air fryer pans that you see me scrubbing down here, and then I'm going to rinse that off. Once I rinse my Starbucks cup out and set it to the side there, I'm just going to rinse the sink out to get that debris down, and then I'm going to wipe it off. Then next up, I want to talk about the light switches. So this is another thing. Just dampen the microfiber cloth with a little bit of alcohol and wipe down your light switches. They are touched a lot by a lot of hands that can be really dirty. So wipe those down along with your doorknobs in your home regularly. Vacuuming, that's another one of those daily tasks, and it can help your home feel really clean without really having to do a lot. This is just like a little $30 vacuum budget finder. Needed a vacuum, needed something that could really help get the dirt up on the area rugs and around the home, especially in the main high traffic living areas downstairs. And this has helped out a lot. I have been wanting a round coffee table for a while. Right now I have the square one. I just washed this white rug in some Clorox, this white free rub, to add some texture to my coffee table in my living room, which works for now, but I would like to find a round coffee table soon. I think it would make the space look a lot better. Next up is the Pink Stuff by the Dollar Tree, their version of the Pink Stuff. And I love the smell of this. It's not as harsh and it cleans well. So I'm just wiping down my desk area where there was a few spots on the side here. And it is a good cleaner without the overpowering smell. Sometimes you run into that, or I feel like I run into that when it comes to a good cleaner. And then I baked some muffins for some snacks or breakfast for my daughter. Both either or. And I am just restocking my cake stand in my dining room area and refilling that back up. This is the cake stand by Better Homes and Gardens that I had featured in a few videos back that I got at Walmart for just, I believe it was $6 or $9. So this was a great buy and a great find. As always, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it motivated you to do so in your own home. And if not, I hope you just enjoyed the content. Thanks for watching.